Hello my beauties, today I will show you how I slick my hair and how I exactly put the extension. The first step is to use milk therapy spray to protect my hair from the heating. I love to use products on my hair from the lightest formula to the heaviest. I'll put some of it on my hair, focus on the ends of the hair from the face down, because I want the structure to remain dense and vibrant. My hair can become very dry, so I like to apply products to moisturize it. I don't apply anything to the scalp to preserve the structure of the hair. I didn't use the dryer anymore. I let it dry naturally in about 30 minutes. I will combing my hair with brush. I will use the straightener. You can see I will pull the iron from the top to the bottom. This comb is excellent to pull the hair. I will repeat the same steps for the rest of the hair. I'm going to use a little bit of a large strands, about 5 cm wide, because I don't want the strands to be fully dry. I have done the bottom part. Now I will move on to the top. I will move on to the background and repeat the same steps. Now it's time to apply my extension. Hair extension can add instant volume to your hair, making it look bouncy and thick. Growing your hair will require time and a lot of patience, depending on your desired length. You may need to wait for a couple of years before you can achieve your goal, but you can speed the process up with hair extensions. Hair extensions are the perfect solution for people who want to grow their hair fast. You can even style and cut your hair extensions to create a more subtle and understood length. Or you can go all out with your hair extensions. So here we take a 3-clip weft and brush it out before clipping it into your hair. Start from the bottom and work your way up the weft to remove any tangles. Measure the weft against your head to ensure its size will fit perfectly into the sectioned hair. Then find the center of your head and clip in the middle clip into the roots of your hair. Be sure to clip as close to the roots as possible. To make it easier and to prevent the clip from sliding down too far, try pulling that section slightly away from your scalp to have some leverage, or simply tease it to create a more secure base. I'm not really trying to go for wavy look, but just I want to twist and curl them like that. So the curls are a little bit less curly, which I love that kind of beach look. And in the second step, take 3 sections of the extension, brush it out carefully and measure against your head to make sure it will fit perfectly. Find the center of your head and clip in the middle clip into the roots of your hair first. Follow the side clip. Now all the large weft at the back of your head. Now you can brush your hair and check in the mirror to make sure that all the wefts are hidden, especially in the back. Now I'm not really trying to go for a wavy look, but just I want to twist and curl them like that. So the curls and a little bit less curly, which I love that kind of beach look. Actually, I like this effortless look, which is flatters all face shapes, hair types, and ages. I like to add some more shine, and I will put a little bit of serum from Gliss product, and I will just keep my hair off my face and apply it and focus on the ends. That's all about my look today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks guys. Bye bye.